Hi there, welcome to today's video. With Mother's Day coming up so soon, I thought I would share some patterns that I really love as Mother's Day gifts. They're all going to be beginner friendly and from two designers I really love, which are MJ's Off the Hook Designs and Daisy Farm Crafts. For Mother's Day, handmade gifts can be really special for the mother in your life because it shows that you really care, that you took time to learn a skill and to share something with someone that you really love. These are also great if you are a mom and you want to make a little Mother's Day present for yourself because you know what? As a mom, I totally understand the need for some crochet self-care. Before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Telford or Jess Telford here on YouTube, and I've been crocheting since I was 11 years old. I have a crochet business called Sugar and Spice Crochet, and I'm a mom of two, a toddler and one on the way, both boys. And so it's kind of crazy over here. So I'm going to show you how to crochet to keep yourself sane even when your life is crazy. So come on, let's go. Starting with our MJ's Off the Hook Designs patterns, we're going to start off with the Stacked Petals design kitchen set. These are going to be a set of placemats and coasters, and they're very cute. They're flower shaped, great for the mother in your life, great for spring, and also great if she wants something practical that's going to go in her kitchen. It's also great for beginners because it's a little bit adventurous and a little bit fancy, but not too much so. It's still a pretty small project. For the next one, this is going to be more of a self-care pattern, and it is MJ's free Winterberry soap saver pattern. This is going to be great for the mom in your life who really loves using bar soaps. Maybe she likes the goat's milk soap or whatever. She just wants something for a little self-care for her in the bath. I know I would love something like that. The third and final MJ's pattern I'm going to share with you is the Dishie-lous crochet market bag. This is great if you have a mom that really loves going to farmers markets or the library, or she just is always needing a tote bag to carry things around. This is a great beginner pattern. It's very simple, but it still is something that's practical, that's easy to make, and it just takes a little bit more time. For our Daisy Farm Crafts patterns, we're going to be starting with the Lily Daisy Do crochet dishcloth. It's really cute. It's shaped like a flower, so it's great for springtime or great for a mom who loves florals. It is a practical gift, but it is very easy to work up. It's great to help you practice working in the round and practicing some different stitches, but it's still a very simple make and would make a great gift for the mom in your life. For my last pattern, and it's also from Daisy Farm Crafts, is going to be the Crochet Simple Scallop Hotpad pattern. They actually have a lot of Hotpad patterns on their website, and so I would check those out. But this is great. It's another practical item. It takes a little bit longer to work up, and you practice some different stitches, but for the most part, it's still very simple and very beginner friendly. So it's great for beginners. A lot of these things are practical, and so I would like to share some ways that you can gift it to the mom in your life so it doesn't feel like it's just practical. Of course, she will appreciate something that is handmade by you, and but you can always gift it with something like some wooden spoons or a nice bar of soap or various different things that you can pair with it that will make it also feel like a full gift, although the crochet item is a full gift in and of itself. I know how much work goes into that. All right, that brings us to the end. If you'd like to keep hanging out with me here on YouTube, I have some other videos here. I have tutorials and I have supply videos, and I just have a bunch of things like this. And so if you're interested in keep watching crochet videos, they're here. And thanks for hanging out. Bye.